Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Sign into the Google account that should have access and paste the exact link into the address bar. Once done, inspect the URL pattern for a valid file ID. Invalid or truncated links cause 404 errors. Make sure the owner hasn't deleted or moved the file. If the link came from a message, ask for a fresh copy. These quick checks save time because most 404s come from wrong account or broken links. Next, you dig into sharing and ownership. Ask the file owner to open Drive, select the file, and click Share to view permissions. This is where 404 often originates. If the owner sets Restricted, add your email or change to anyone with the link for broader access. Make sure you understand why they choose one versus the other. Also confirm the file isn't in trash or stored in a deleted user's drive, because those states block access, even with. Finally, you perform advanced troubleshooting. Open the link in incognito or a different browser and clear caches to rule out client-side issues, and try the Drive mobile app. If that fails, ask the owner to generate a new shareable link or transfer ownership to a functioning account. Make sure to check organization admin controls if it's a G Suite account, because domain restrictions can block access. Troubleshooting tip: if you still see 404, have the owner restore the file from trash or use Drive's file recovery before retrying.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.